Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a bot made in Python that has the goal to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq, with the goal to have some passive income while sleeping. And in a daily update, almost daily lately, I tell you guys how the bot is doing, what I changed in the code, and how we're doing on the market. And if you want to know how the bot did it today, just stay. And as usual, we start with the code and the code screen. And I'm gonna scroll down a bit, because we can see that nothing happened, and this really, it's frustrating. I know for me, but I don't know how it is for you guys, but I tried to make some entertaining video about the Nasdaq and about the bot and about the coding, but there's nothing going on. I know, I can't help it. And I did make some code changes yesterday and waiting for today to see if we have another good day. We're going to look at the market directly. I'm going to skip the bot. And if we look at the hourly change, because it's the hourly change, the 5-minute is even more boring, although it looks the same. This is 5 minutes, and this is the 1 hour. Yeah, this is it. And we're looking at it, and the market had some action, but you see the numbers. The numbers are very low. It's 11, 19, 18, 28, 27. It's nothing. Yesterday we had some numbers in the 100, I believe, yeah, somewhere in the 100. So those were actually more active than this. So it looks like we had to do, but the Nasdaq today went up to the all-time high. Yesterday went up to the all-time high, went down, came almost back up to the all-time high, went down again slowly, and then in 1 hour it compensated himself directly into almost again the all-time high, and now it's on its way back. Now if we're going to look at this, we see, and you could say for the last couple of days, this is a 1 hour, yeah, for the last couple of days, we're moving between the Bollinger Bands borders, as in we're going sideways. And that's it, because Tesla sideways, then Nvidia sideways, 1 hour, Google a bit up, Intel after the good was Intel, yeah, after the good one of yesterday had a bad day, because if it took the 1 day, yesterday smaller, yesterday it had a breakout, and now it's coming back down again. Let's see how this evolves for the next couple of days. Then we have Meta, has also a great rise, had a great rise, and now it's on its way down. The second day with a red candle. Apple, yeah, closed the gap right here, but up and down. Now we're up at the resistance, so I guess we're going down again. Then Amazon, slightly going up, broke the support line, which means that we could look for a new support line to see if we really have a downtrend. I don't know. Microsoft on a sideways-ish. It's the day, yeah. Sideways for Microsoft. And then US 100 we already seen. And then we have the US 500, the S&P. S&P did also make a new all-time high. Is this all-time? No, it's not the all-time high. It's a resistance. Yeah, it's a resistance. But the S&P also did a new all-time high. And the fix of today, like all other days, very, very small and in the red. And that was it. It's a 5-minute video. I know, it's one of the shortest. But there's nothing to report, and I can do reports every day. But reporting the same stuff, what's nothing new about how the bot did and how we did on the market, and did we make a profit or not, if the market is not active. Yeah. So, like, subscribe, and hope that we're going to have a more active market in a couple of days, because this month and the last month weren't that really active. So all I have to say now is have a little fun every day like I do, and see you guys tomorrow.